Our culture is full of so much
kind of people them say if they want to book me,
yes.
Then we just come book me. Yeah?
So tell them exactly where you are then. So.
Alright, I'm telling you which part of find me. I'm there everywhere like sky. But they say if you come here them time, Clock Tower Plaza, I'm there. Because when the sun out, at them time, I'm come out. Because people them are burn out. You see what I say? Big man thing and then a big pants thing.
Yeah.
But anyway, when you see me on social media, just add me to no messenger.
Yeah.
And then
IG,
you can make me to no messenger.
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
This man was immediately taken to responsible.
Ooh.
Come on, Jack, the bathroom.
Oh, chef. I tried this already?
No, I can't put them like a long time. I can't be tired of use, you know. Don't chew after them things. You see? Can't be, you see me?
So you said this use no? So him use this?
Yeah, him use him. Can't be tired of use, brother.
You know, so I get mine as well too.
Yeah, because the whole of them nice. When you drink them once, you have to drink them twice. The one and them night at the fight, you can't lose it. You breathe it or you bruise it. You hear me? Because
Yes.
you're near me. I see that one here, you know what this mean. Beetroot, make the machine shoot.
Shoes.
You hear that? And that's why some man not get no youth because them not drink no beetroot.
Me don't know what them a pre about. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
So guys, well. Yeah, this is where the sunlight is. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Blessed love to all, blessed love to all. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Day, night, morning, anywhere you are. Have a wonderful day. So, yes, I'm in Archetry, so I need to go pay my internet bill. And I also want to try to get myself a coconut water because I played football yesterday. So, you know, say coconut water is good for quick recovery. You know, so it's always good to have a coconut water anyway. So, not only good for recovery. So, I see a man up here selling coconut water. So, I'm here in Archetry. I'm in this plaza. Oh, Clock Tower Plaza. Yes, I'm in Clock Tower Plaza, as you can see. So I want to get myself a jelly water. Blessed fire. Different coconut man there.
No, I see him coconut man, you know. See him coconut man.
Oh,
See him
hey, family,
the brother.
Brother.
Yeah.
Oh, big up.
Big up, man.
One of the back around them now, please. I mean, I wonder how the man looks so different.
See him man,
See him, one family.
See him family.
One family, nothing not change. So guys, well, here now we have coconut water with them buckle them out. You know.
And for you now?
Yeah, man, I want to.
Fire, you know, hold your button fire, man. You know,
Hold them before them done, you know.
Hold your button, you know, fire, you can't go right down and itch. We have beetroot, now we have pine and ginger.
So tell them what you have, and because I'm a YouTuber, you know we always promote the positivity.
Well, they want couple minutes, so see the man there. I would want.
What is so?
You understand, because I know when it gone on YouTube now.
And you them a look for come by.
You know, them a look for me and him, them a say.
Yeah,
don't get too contrary.
Yeah, true.
So when you do the YouTube thing, they want, they have for sure say, yes, if you don't come along, see this man, I man is
here. Alright. Because I may always buy from.
Yeah, man. My brother, man.
Alright, may sorry find out. You know, so I get mine as well too.
Yeah, because the whole of them nice. When you drink them once, you have to drink them twice. The one and them night at the fight, you can't lose it. You breathe it or you bruise it. You hear me? Because you're near me. I see that one here, you know what this mean. Beetroot, make the machine shoot.
You
hear that? And that's why some man not get no youth because them not drink no
beetroot. That is it. So you hear for yourself, guys. So that is the man. So if you come here, don't see him and you see the brother.
Yes, man, you know a thing set up.
You know.
You see it, we say the real original jelly water with the meat.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I say? For you look on it, you see it.
Yes, guys. So you got the meat.
And that I do it.
Yes.
You understand what I say? Yeah, we climb the tree now because our jelly tree, jelly grow high.
Mm-hmm.
And to it high. Mm-hmm. All the man we are climbing guilty when they might try.
Sure.
You understand what I say?
You know, from what the wells are trying to classify this one, where you know jelly coconut is a thing where from small, from a nut. Then it grows so big with so much water inside it. And even science can prove it now. You know, for sure.
Because the man does see a stick going up in the air, you know.
Yeah.
And him see water up on top of the stick.
Just like that.
You understand what I say? That show you say good for we as a human to make sure that the stick a flick.
A flick,
you understand what I say? It's when the water left from underneath the earth now and carry go through it filter and reach up there. It become like a holy water. You understand what I say?
Yeah, the holy water.
Yes, man.
You know, that's why we have to always keep drinking it because until it's good, it's packed with health nutrients, you know, electrolytes. As I said, I played football yesterday. And them say it's good for quick recovery.
Yes, man.
You know, after they do a lot of workout and exercise, it's always good for that as well.
Good for the heart. Make sure so the heart clean like a whistle. Every time it goes through the heart, like it renew the value and things. So,
yes.
You know, you catch certain kind of, you know, strokes and all them things. You keep the heart. Keep the heart a bump.
Yes, pumping.
Yeah, pumping.
Back in the days, you know, when time you're dehydrated, you know, they used to string you up and put coconut water, you see me, in your skin.
Even back in the days, I used to watch a local Rambo show them back in the days, a man shotting at the woods. Them most of a man pick a jelly and pour it and hook up my hose and put one thing and
shoot at them and
insulin. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. That you know, it good for the blood.
Yes, that's how it works, man. So how much is the bottle of water?
Well, you know, say 3 bills, you know, but if I give you 4, we don't have a problem.
I give you 350.
Alright, but that's not no man.
You give 350 because you're here in the sun, see me. And hustle, see me, you know, so there's nothing wrong with that brother.
For real, man. And see the generally I come back to him.
Yeah.
So you don't know if you want to give him a piece of the clip before him flip.
Yes, man. Yes, man. So you want to tell them exactly where you are, just in case when them come in here, you know, them need them. Yes.
Oh, yeah, night at the fight.
Buck up, you know.
Night at the fight, man.
Night at the fight. Where say you want to buck up, you know. So him call it buck up.
You want the coconut water for cool air down?
Yeah, buck up in that one, you know.
Alright.
I really think that, you know?
Yes. Yes,
yeah, me general, how thing set. Me I show them say buck up in a thicker than tin set. How I inspect? Hold on. How are you?
Notice I always buy from me, never know me on YouTuber though.
Yeah, me never know.
I was trying to control become much all kind of
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino, K-I-N-O Life in Jamaica.
Alright, me go look it up, man, and subscribe.
Yeah, man, I go see it and everything, man.
Because I have to build up the channel.
Yeah, man, can represent for the good, you know, I like the positivity and the culture of the country, you understand? Straight positivity what I like. Nothing negative. Because them always want to portray the negative out of Jamaica, where I show them say, yo, there's so much positive there, so the energy and the vibes, the culture, you see me? So this is what we are promoting mostly.
Make them know say too, you know. If we make them know say me a real artist, just put me in a one basket. You hear that? Big man thing and a big pants thing, you know, I make me hear something.
Yes.
I make you hear something. You see me? Let me see, I wish one to give them now. Alright.
You're not getting the difference. No, we're not getting the difference.
One time my life was dusty and everything they miss them say I must me. Them time them man so hungry and so lonely young thing man have to do a figure step up me hustling. And everybody around me a talk enough things and only thing man have to eat a dumpling. Me nah go this see you them a day around king. Me nah again see you them way I dig out the landfill. It's good to stay alive, that's it. No to survive, that's it. No make them say you cannot make it, that's it. Them stop a lot of things but them can't stop this. It's good to stay alive, that's it. I know know to survive. That's it. No make them say you cannot make it. That shit. Them stop a lot of things, but them can't stop this. If you make it in a life, that's my greatest wish. In my life, me not even know the latest dish. Looking at me ceiling top of be a hole, me I see the star. What kind of feeling is this? And if you feel my life, you are gonna feel piece of steel in hit. I know people uptown ask me how me do this. It's good to stay alive. That's it. No to survive.
That's it.
You make them say you cannot make it. That's it. Them stop a lot of things and them can't stop
this. Aye, righteousness, man. So give them your artist name and where them can find you.
I'm Crane Energy, you know. I'm on every social media platform. You just want to type in Crane with an energy.
Yes.
And you get it.
Yes.
You hear that?
So
as me tell you, real artists, I'm going to put Meg in a one basket and I have tune on YouTube. So check it out. Yeah, Crane Energy. I don't give a damn.
That is it. Big up for yourself, brothers, man. I like the brother energy. You know, we give thanks, man. Yeah. Yes, guys. So you can check him out as well because you know Jamaica, our culture is full of so much talent.
People them say if they want to book me.
Yes.
Them just come book me. Yeah?
So tell them exactly where you are then. So.
Alright, I'm telling you which part of find me. They everywhere like sky. But you see if you come here them time, Clock Tower Plaza me there. Because when the sun out, at them time them come out. Because people them are burn out. You see what I say? Big man thing and then a big pants thing. Yeah. But anyway, when you see me on social media, just add me to no messenger. And then you can make me be on the messenger.
Yes. Cool. So check it out. Go on your phone and show you the YouTube channel. Kina Life in Jamaica.
You show you about.
Yeah, man. So right away, when you can stay tuned for one time it out, you will see it as well. Share it so we can clear it.
Hold me and cool them down. You cool them down, my boss. Because all them something nobody enough for pass. Because them in a clear off a walk. We have to laugh.
I'm just looking more laugh.
Well, cool jelly water. Hold me and cool them down.
And full of style.
Hold me and cool them down now.
Yeah, that's why your artist could never be a tomato.
Yeah, I'm going to put Meg in a one basket. Tell them already, you know.
That is it.
Hi, darling. Hello.
Let's see there.
Hold me and
just
cool
forward back from Trinidad as well too.
Yeah.
Okay, no, we'll check out the
notification.
Yes.
Put it on WhatsApp.
So, I like that.
Yeah.
You know, so one girl come out and come take a piece out and you know much views she gone.
Yes. See you, man. Aye. Promotion. Alright then, so big up. Yes. Yes. So big up my general, much love again, yeah? All the time. Because remember I'm always a buy from you, but they never know me a YouTuber.
Alright, man, keep it up, man.
See you, man, manners. Yes. Yes, guys, I'm always getting water from you, coconut water whenever I come here, especially to pay my bills. Or if I come to buy anything over here, but I never actually tell them I'm a YouTuber, but now you know, So here is the electrolytes and you know all the health benefits and everything that's in this that's good for you, so it's all needed. But yesterday I run more than a 90 minutes yesterday, because whenever I'm playing I put out my best, so it goes already. So I'm gonna head back to Trenchtown now, continue the journey, it goes already. So blessed love. Remember to give the video a thumbs up whenever you're watching Kina Life in Jamaica. Never ever forgot to put the thumbs up. So if you do, you can go back and smash that like button. Kina Life in Jamaica. Stay tuned. Jacko! Ooh-ee! Yeah, the Jamaica Michael Jackson. Well, guys. So I'm here now in Trenchtown. Should I take Ripper number, you know? Yes, I'm back here in Trenchtown, guys. As you can see, I'm here with Mother Teresa.
Hi.
And Esther Bomimbal. Trenchtown rock over there. Yes, guys. So today we want to do a measurement and the hardship place, you know, to see what we're gonna do and what we're gonna need for materials. So we're gonna see the builder now, natural himself, you know, and go run by, take a walk by our hardship, you know, and then get that measurement going and get everything started. I'm going this way, right? This way. Thick and fast. Yes, guys, I'm drinking spirulina strong back. The back feel weak. Even though my back not feel weak, but we just drink it. Make it more stronger and stronger like concrete. Firm, right, Esther?
That is it.
That is it. You know, Dida said that is it. So the more we drink this, the more we get stronger. The more we drink the spirulina and the more we get stronger. The more we drink the spirulina and more we get stronger. Can't cool. The back I get stronger. Yeah, man. So we're gonna drink it more and more and more. Yeah. So it's good. So they use them get dirt feel now. Ah, big up. Imagine how much dust kick up here, so. Ah, from my sister, I can't get her money here now. Ellis. Guys, look, this man just finished work. Better after than me and Uno. When you see the money, you see royalty. Right?
Royalty.
Guys, whenever you see royalty, you look at him, you say, yo, the Ellis, you know? Can't out a job, can't out a nothing.
Show them next year.
Where?
Markets like my one.
Now your cousin drive that, not the family?
No, man.
Or yours, you rent out? Hmm?
I don't know for that.
All of the money that story. Brother, you've been working from 9 till 5.
Look, this week.
See, you cook and bring,
food, me carry
you cook and bring us to work. Yes, good life, good life. How long do you start work?
1 week now.
So you get pay already?
No, this Friday
yes.
coming.
Yeah, but this when?
This Friday coming.
Tomorrow Friday, so I'll be checking you tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow is Tuesday.
It's tomorrow Friday. It's tomorrow Friday. I'll be checking your story.
Give my little thing I made them to say I give my lunch and we go and work something.
Guys, me always give me dinner, so you know. There's my time for collect now.
Friday, come let my thing anything.
Alright then. Yes. Alright, so Friday.
Yeah.
So you know who that?
Where?
Kota car. Oh.
Granddaughter that.
Okay. See there. Alright, Snoop.
Alright, boss. Pick up yourself, fella.
Yes.
New life, more life.
No boss. Family with David. No boss.
No boss.
No boss.
Yeah.
No basket. Yes.
True.
True. We have Keegan. Ever looking young, ever looking fresh. Walk through the gardens of Eden right now. So come can walk through the man gardens. Can't last, it goes straight through.
Oh, the garden walk, I take.
You walk through the gardens. Guys, check out Keegan Gardens. What do you call it? What do you call this walk? The Keegan Gardens. You not get a name yet? Jeez! Love where you do the yard. Look at this guy. Just look how the man set up the place. You wouldn't believe this is Trenchtown. You probably think you're somewhere else.
Apple.
Them say you never pick the apple off the tree, you know, Esther. You know what happened already?
few little apple from
Oh.
Yeah.
Get apple for it already, so it's small.
Look how the man to the place like with our country.
And that's our guava.
See Jew plum here. It's like we're in Westmoreland.
East Indian mango.
East Indian and everything. It's like we're in Westmoreland.
Why'd you put that?
Pine.
In the pan.
And pine and everything. You see,
That, you know what? Sour sap that. Young sours and that and neesberry.
see the guy, so why man always have to stay young?
Grape. Moonberry.
Moonberry and grape.
Lychee. Jackfruit.
Minty.
Mint.
Hey.
Guava. Black mango.
Jeez.
It's me.
All full, fruitful. And we call this again castor oil. Castor oil. Trees and trees. The man have everything in them yard. So he's living with nature.
Lemon. Lime.
Yeah.
Tangerine.
Yes.
Lime again.
When you put the citrus one side.
Orange. Look a small orange.
Coconut. Everything.
So you have to have a little fruits, you know?
Have to.
After.
The people them would believe that we're in Trenchtown. Yes, we're in Trenchtown, you know. I walk through the Keegan Gardens. Gardens of Evans.
Garden of Keegan.
Garden of Keegan. So yeah man, so we have to take a sneak way through. Oh la, it's open. Yeah man.
You know you have to lock it for the pass through.
Yes. But you know, some never know this did go on. The last time I know we could have walked right here. In it's gated community. So we're in the gated community.
Next time you come and you reach up yourself the next big gate.
Alright then. That is it. Big up yourself man.
Yeah, see you done now.
Yes guys, you see.
Hey.
So when I'm looking so young and fresh, the man live in nature. You know? And you might see you in a concrete jungle, the man turn it in a fruitful jungle.
See it.
No concrete no more. No concrete. They are going to the work, see me.
Watch out the Trinidad and Tobago thing there.
Yeah.
Trust me. It's nice, you know?
Trust me.
You can see the people them love you, brother.
People them show love, man.
Yeah.
People them can come together and live as one, see me. Because you remember they show a lot of love, you know.
Real, man.
Yeah, man. A lot of love, man. What kind of stuff,
This is true. You know, I'm subscribed with D.
Yeah.
I'm subscribed with D, mother and D.
Okay. Right through the whole family.
Through the whole family.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, man. And big up, man.
They say all of the country that must have been from.
Jamaica is a best place, you know. She represent Jamaica well, you know.
Straight.
Right now, she bring the slang gun all the way in Kenya. People have said that is it, Wagwan, you know. The whole family converted now, you know the thing go. So the whole family converted now, from the father go right down to the mother, the whole village. I said Jamaica right now, you know. So we have to give thanks. So,
yeah, spread the love, you know.
Alright, man. See you, man.
All over.
Positivity with David, man. Only love, man. Big up, my general. Big up.
I used to see him like how you shot it with little and someone won't tell you about little dead with your
see him way. I travel the world. Cool, man. It's in the making. You know, so once Almighty said it is time, it is time. Yeah. Whenever the Almighty said it's time, it is time. Stop the fighting. So early in the morning, so right now it's evening, treading through the concrete jungle. So the man here still Esther, you wouldn't believe it though.
Fruits are growing up.
Fruits all about. And when you come out here, this is what you've been seeing now. So imagine that. So, oh chef, yeah, what? Yeah, you know so. One team, you know the thing go. Yes guys, so you know we're gonna check out the chef place and do some measurement. You know, so we'll go get natural. Natural was sleeping, so you know we have to wake him. Yeah, so and it's rolling through the zinc fences, the trenches of Trenchtown. elimination. So guys, you know the aim is to try to help out the members them, you know. One member at a time, you know, and Roche been on the list the longest while now before we even start this Dana. You know, so just to give him a bathroom and a toilet. You know. Music, wait. Yeah.
This man goes immediately. You can do this punch.
Oh.
the bathroom.
Oh, chef.
I don't look at the bathroom.
I tried this already?
No, I can't put them like a long time. Can't be tired of use, you know. Don't you want to tell them things, you see? Can't be, you see me?
So we said this use now? So him use this?
Yeah, him use him. Can't be tired of him using it, brother. But me don't want to keep them out of the yard while I tell them to check out the thing better. Him use and do him thing, and you see me?
So we so naturally see what I go on.
You see what I go on, man. But the more I say, the whole occupants are years they use it.
All occupants are here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Miller, my brother live there, Miller, Crampy and me live there.
Crampy live there?
No man, Miller, Rasta, Crampy live there.
Oh, Rasta live there?
Yeah.
Crampy live there?
Yeah.
You
live there, yeah.
Alright, so alright, that's a year you can so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, come round.
Alright, here go on. See what I go on. There's so much more from this coming. It's a year.
Yeah, man, we in the back round about this one.
It's a year, come.
It's a year, yeah.
Hold on. Which part you want to build? This side or this side over there?
On the back.
No. If I in here, say the bathroom. If I in here, say you want the bathroom for that.
Choose.
No, you want the bathroom? No, if you're around the bathroom,
Yeah.
you want the bathroom, you step out.
You come in the bathroom, sir.
Come in the bathroom.
I'm doing it that way.
Here go on now. You say me have 5 feet from over here to the other, I'm good enough. 5 feet in it. I use a zinc wall fences
Yeah.
as the block. The partition I have this because see a partition inside the cell.
Yeah, right, that's it, sir.
That's the stuff. Then I have 5 feet, man, I'm good.
Yeah.
So we'll get this now, hold it now.
Hold on.
Because it's a cast, a slab of cast and build a bathroom.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Go to the tape. Go to the tape. Alright. 5 feet. And you have 4 feet. 3 feet for the bathroom is starting. Here so would have be tile on the back of this. And step in, so shower there, so the face basin. See it? So that's all I do to me. So that cast some foot. Some footing.
From this to this.
I either block this and back out this because I don't know if you want my body to pass and you want to put it on foot. I either just put it on foot.
I put on foot, man, you see me?
Alright, I put it on foot, but I have the 5 feet to clear it. So the zinc fence, the tree, I'm not going to do the tree. The kitchen is in a way, so if you come forward, look a bit from it.
Oh.
Chop off them pieces off it right now.
So the architecture over there, yeah, there.
You don't want to
kill it.
You have food thing there.
So you have to come forward from it.
Yeah, car actually.
Blacks, you know.
Alright, so that's 5 feet. Right there here, sir. Right? Alright, I just a door. If this door, can I just a door come and look a bit to me?
Yeah.
Can I just a door look a bit come and say, can I get 5 feet from this? See him.
What me sir? What me do?
I move it, man, because Crampy, Crampy, the whole of yourself, it comes there now.
This part of right now, sir. See?
Yeah,
so we can use this 5 feet from over this from the architecture. It comes up. And we can use so let's say 5. What it is. Alright. Tree. 8 feet around. 8 feet good enough for you. 8 feet in. Over 8 feet. The part of the yard is a god. You utilize the part of the yard and so open the part.
Clean out of the yard from one.
No. If you're a part, it's a sheer.
Yeah, man, that's the whole yard.
Alright. Well, let's hold the tape, man. Hold the tape. 4. 7. 11.
The man too, Crampy have that full of tool, all different tool and that. That's what I tell them, I say, yo,
Then I want to get rid of that guy there.
yeah, from what they protect them out, you know.
I remember put them.
No man, that can go to someone, the toll pan. Then they want to clear out, man. Then they want to clear down, man.
So,
And champion man, no ain't now. You see me?
No, the back part, no, the back part supposed to be. And somebody running the back container.
The back take up already.
The back, no, you know, say to Johnny, them around there do. Them look a program thing out there. No, not really. Them have all the person show them only come and build one house, right? So. The back can use up to, you know.
They have problem to move them something here and them look useful, like them have for them something. When them have put them in it, them.
what these stuff?
No man.
Say tool in a them man.
No man, this having tool man. Them never come out.
Okay, so enough for them for.
But a man, by a man, me shoot the whole of them there.
No man, just the measurement I do now for accumulate the bathroom space. So we want now 5 crosses. That's it. No man, it's alright man, just want to decide like this. It's alright man.
Can I try to say that utilize a little piece of yourself as well, right?
When the step comes up, when I move the door, come back to here so. So you see here so, we full this and cast it to the step. We build the step a little bit wider to match up the step up. So the step up the step right. Because what happens? We should 5 feet to the tree, I want to unbug the tree and take away the light from the tree.
From the tree, yeah.
You understand what I mean? You want to leave the trees here because you see, okay, a Jamaica out there in the forest there.
Yeah.
You want to kill the body just because you got fire and bite nothing.
Yes, true.
You see it?
So this is veranda here, sir.
Yeah.
This is the. So natural, look in here, sir.
Yeah.
The light in here, sir.
Yeah man, light in the man.
Yeah. So I got.
So as you can see, you know, because you're so part of, so we don't want to fix him flooring. So, fix this to washer, bring out this look big. So this is where chef living. So I go on natural.
So I got. It's a worship. It's a worship cabin. Down there, general. So we give him floor and makeover. I tile the floor too.
You tile it?
Tile me. I mesh it and tile.
Yeah, mesh and tile.
Oh, okay, mesh and tile.
Mesh and tile. Mesh and tile. Because most of the barrel mesh them and tile.
Oh.
Yeah.
So just put mesh on top of this
Yeah,
and
mesh.
Mesh them and tile.
okay.
Mesh and tile.
So you do that with you abandon it?
The window just black it out.
Can black out man.
So it's like here so now, I black it and do it. The kitchen now, you go kitchen part, we have focus on the kitchen part as well, cooking as well. Upon the side you have put it on.
Over here, sir?
Yeah, and the bathroom are there, so.
Hygiene.
Yeah, you understand? Put a look on counter thing as well.
So, like a counter? It's small, space is very small.
Very small. That's what I'm
Small man.
look on the window back natural and see how it's
The window back, what you want to say? Through the window.
Yes. Roche, what me the window back? We see the window back.
The window back, let's see the window back. Let's see the window back. Oh, no, here go on. I got a little problem when I say that. I got a problem.
You got a problem though?
Yeah, I got a problem. Here go on. The space here, to me, them build it and left it open. Yeah, God off it.
No man.
God off a dialogue with them and talk and tell them, say, boy, I'm going to do a bathroom. If I do a bathroom, that's good because the bathroom that occupy the whole of the back of this.
Yeah.
We enter the room.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand? All of them step out here, so after we're done build, we'll step out here, sir, and our entrance, and we come to the bathroom straight
in the house, yeah.
Straight in the house and come.
Yeah.
See it? So the bathroom is still 5. That's still 5 by, that's 5 by 8. Because the wall in the take up.
Wall in the take up.
What 6 inches, 6 inches.
So how I build up right there, sir?
And my boy live there, say Kevin man, I call them a build this so and this so.
So we'd have to go talk to them and see if that could have gone around there, sir?
I'm going to see the cramp here and make it no look. I'll say Johnny and tell Johnny. See what Johnny? Yeah, so I use up.
So it's for Johnny there?
No, this is Johnny there man.
Okay, but this is just walkway, right?
Yeah, just walkway man. You see me? Gang and man we build bench and thing when we mash them up, you know.
But you said that more look ideal.
Yes, I'm more ideal.
Yeah, Ronnie said look more ideal. Teach
What we want, say? We want dialogue with
whosoever.
with them at the back here, so we have to put in something. Yeah, notify them. So I put in a bathroom. So we have no problem.
Yeah.
We put in a bathroom. Space one you can do. Because 5 feet about them, so we black now.
Who the black now? No, go black
Yeah, so
now.
down here, so I look on a piece of place here, so I'm so far. That's 7 feet out and put on 5 feet. So just at 5 feet now, pick up my tile, I can see clearly come up here.
Yeah.
So that's easier here, so all the material come here, so we might do. So I have more access.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand?
So them stand out for chef.
Them are the great man.
My boy would live
What build so?
Yeah, Kevin them man.
a long time below, so
I weekend it done.
me renting some box, so if you pay me a problem.
Upstairs, upstairs man make a go up now, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. Upstairs I go up now, so.
Say that way that you talk to Kevin then.
No, we talk to Johnny.
Johnny.
Maybe say Kevin just come here, so come leave.
Oh, so.
Yeah.
So Johnny.
Yeah, man. You know, go link Johnny.
Just Johnny a while ago.
Yeah, wizard them ground them still.
Okay. Yeah man, we can focus on the back man.
We want a notification, so
Yeah.
you want to approach Johnny now?
Yeah, we gotta approach him.
We can approach Johnny now.
Yeah, approach him.
Yeah, that's black as I fix up. What I do now, just fix up film here so you can turn us in the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
You see it?
Yeah.
I give my good make over the kitchen here.
Because we just run some black here so.
Yeah, just black out this.
Yeah.
And when you finish, man, you can't blister here so that.
Yeah.
I'll give my good step up. Give my good step and come up. Yeah, I'll give my sink. I sink in a long way here, so. I make a
Yeah.
2-side wing. And you can put in store a black up here, so.
And can put in store better so.
See it?
Yeah.
We think we have good foundation. But no, we just use up this stuff. I use up this stuff. God of Father, dry ice, I can use our share dry ice. Right, that God of? God of? I hear Father, I can use our share ice. I'm going to see it now, man.
Can see it.
Yeah, see this? See it? The ice,
Yeah.
share ice.
True.
Flax.
Yes guys, as you can see, this is where Rochette is living. Alright, Rochette, come we have to go check Johnny. Check Johnny. Yeah. Alright guys, so guys, so what would happen now, we're gonna speak to the guys and see if we can do it around there at the back instead of trying to do it in this space, because this space is really small and we don't want in kitchen as well too. You know, so it's the best if we could do it around by the back where you see was just looking, you know, so much better doing it around that side more than doing it here, as you can see, you know. So we're gonna speak to the neighbors them that live around there. Come here, chef, and see if we can get the go ahead, because we don't want to put anybody away and you know any altercation. So we want to get the show, so we speak to the person, you know. So
Link up Johnny, I hear him say and tell him how go on.
yes, guys. As you can see, these houses they're built, but them don't build with any bathroom and toilet. You know, this is what they build the house them in Trenchtown. They never built with any bathroom and toilet. Go on, wow. So that's why we're trying to give the members them some bathroom and toilet, you know, along the way. So drainage there around this as well?
Yeah, the drainage there right there, set them on.
Okay. But natural.
Drainage there on this right there.
So this would be the back part. Yeah, this. So this would be the width height? The length?
Give me the length time. Give me the length time.
At the bedroom? Okay.
I have no space. I went to enter a come to. I have to give some.
10 by 1 yard.
10 by 4 6. 10 by 4 6. 4 feet 6 inches.
So the 4 5 4 feet.
4 feet.
Pardon?
4 6. So I'm black. So I'm not bug nobody around.
You still have walking?
So
You're
that
not even shower. Tired. Face this. No space for them.
yeah.
I think it's a look out washing machine you can show it to you.
Between
I'm gonna work a walking space, so
And the sewage me enough.
Right, see, I'm on the same kind.
I take the letter.
Yeah, I got myself.
Perfect.
That's so warm.
Where is it?
I see me
It
there.
looks like right there.
Right there.
I mean that. But like I mean round this up.
In the yard where you have to tie
If
it.
I mean round this up, you can still carry it back.
And it the
Floor and go so.
oh, okay. So guys, so these are the outside bathroom and toilets where it was built, you know, for these 10 shillings. 10 shillings they call them, right? 10 shillings house. So this is where once you live on this block, you know, this bathroom and toilet share for everyone that live on the whole block. So you have 2 bathroom and 2 toilet. So you know everyone will be sharing, but you have to come out your house to come use the bathroom and use the toilet. So you know we try to, you know, give them something close, you know, where they can have much better living condition. Stepping out your bedroom and going inside the toilet, you know, or to use their bathroom. You know, so. And they have the same tree in Trinidad, you know. Yeah. They have a different name. They have a different name. Yes.
Nigga man, top man.
Nigga man.
Right. So this will be the most ideal spot for him then.
It's the most ideal spot.
There's a lot of space running, right, Alpi?
Yeah, definitely. All for space, that.
Johnny? Eh? So they must have park here?
No, ako mi natama na sa mga buwa pakikaro na sa yung matabo. Takamay ko mata. Johnny, naturally, I saw the thing.
Alright, here one.
Them below, but you.
The storage line, you see, one the panel side, one the side.
Yeah, one the so big already. I run it to the room in on the side.
I put this here line, I go so.
That goes up.
Yeah, man.
I said that goes up. Because the line there at the same.
No, your line. Yourself go so. You see your feet, that too much up in the air rising to run yourself.
Yeah.
That come back down. So you want to go to shadow, you have more ground to play down. So it's a good push the pipe, but in a sense, you see the height we have here, so, with the bathroom, and the right height of the room and stuff.
Yeah.
So I want to build a scheme about look a wash tub, look a washing machine, you can fit in your bathroom, the length of the room. And then 4 by 8, 4 by 9.
Sure, they have the practice, that's it.
No, but we don't do it because the put on one. What you mean by doing
So we said them that plan for park here around here, sir?
No, man, through my boy, there's a parking car here,
No, man, this you carry now compass, but
Yeah, no,
alright,
no,
this space
compass,
now, it's a building space.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know?
Two car park around here. Johnny car, Finn car, man. My boy car.
Yeah. One time I got pass back, so I want to see him so we can talk to him. Yeah.
Johnny.
Dialogue.
Yeah, man. Johnny on the road.
Because everybody have them rights, you don't want to.
Yeah, everybody.
Yeah.
You can take up his rights.
Yeah.
But them be like come to park here. They want park, but not Philip. They want car.
Alright, so. Yeah, man.
That's be the man come on no more, be the man get to my guy, be the man come on.
But guys, so alright, so we're gonna have we're gonna acknowledge people that live around here, you know, and everything what's gonna happen. So without impede anybody's space or anything at all. So it's the best way, you know, so we can compromise with each other. We can move forward smooth with any problems. You know, people worrying about our spaces or anything at all. You know, just in case if someone was comfortable doing something already, like for instance parking them car, them get comfortable, feel like so okay, then they're gonna always be doing that just in case, you know, so we can let them know that we're gonna put a bathroom here with a toilet. So the space will be kind of, we have to speak to each other so the space can be occupied for both ways, you know, so we can help out the situation. Alright, so
See the camper on the tree.
alright, so we'll go target Johnny. Yeah, come now, we'll go target Johnny for him pass.
See, put the house there, so. I'm sure I asked me for when we really do the yard in there. Be rubbish and be. Hold on. No, that one there. See,
No, I attack the good there. The next good.
Don't mess up.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, yes, sir.
What business?
No, man, minister, sister, minister, sister. Yeah, right, that's a shoot.
I was already as a referee.
Yeah, man, right, that's a man.
That's a referee drop, man.
And dead, yeah, man.
I tell you, know, say, God will win and fair win, supposed to be the same.
And
Good, man. Our business.
Well. Good day, sister.
Good day.
Good day, Esther.
Good day.
Good day, stylist. How much you charge her? Can I get percentage out of it? Sister, how is everything?
Well, thank the Lord. You know, He give me a little health and strength. Because when I see me able to wash and go hang out and do whatever, I say thank you, Jesus.
Who could it be?
Who could it be, you know?
The Almighty Himself.
See, younger than me, them can't move. They have the same problem, and they just cannot move. They're in a wheelchair.
Yes, true.
Yes.
You have to give thanks.
I have to give thanks. And some of them use walking stick. Yeah, and a lady told me that, wow, oh, you just walk so. Yeah, we say it's God.
It's God.
Yeah.
It's God. I met your nephew. Very powerful man. Runs in the family.
It's not him powerful.
I know Him, the Almighty.
Yeah.
Almighty.
We cannot do anything without Christ, you know. We can do all things
True.
with Christ through Him, Jesus. We can't do nothing at all for ourselves. God Himself has to give us health and strength and the power.
Yes.
Yeah, through Him.
Cause what you think about this? I was planning to give him a spot on the program, give him a live stream when he's doing it. Yes. So I'm planning to do it for him this Saturday.
Oh, he was telling me, oh, they want me to go come with him.
Yes. So you know we're gonna need you on the live stream as well to give in your blessings, your prayer, you know. So them can see it. You know, because I already said it to the audience, am I ready? You know, so you know, they'll be looking forward.
What
you know.
we really like to do for us one at a time is to come up at the church and pick up live.
By the church?
Yeah.
That will be away on a Sunday.
Yeah, but you know, you have to go football.
Yeah, but if I'm not going football and I can't,
you have to notify us and tell us when you come.
Yeah, or if I can sacrifice a Sunday and do that.
Then I got work.
Yes. So
all have to sacrifice. Cause remember him sacrifice for us.
Yes, sure. Cause you know, so me always have it in mind to give you the live streaming, you know, but true, when he was here and he was, yes. And then when him come now, for some reason what I see him do when him pray for Mother Teresa and everything, like, you know.
Okay, yeah.
And then realize him have more free time, you know.
Yes, yeah, he has. He has.
Him have more free time, active, you know. So I decided to say, alright then, you know, the spirit tell me say I should give him this, you know.
Yeah.
Because my spirit really take him, you know, really opens up to him. Yes.
Oh, I forgot you would know him. Only Danny, you know.
Yes.
His father.
Yeah, but
you know Kiri. But, oh, he was in England.
And you usually come sell the statues and sell them on the road. France, or something.
On the cart?
No, the driver, maybe people.
Oh, I never know him.
yes.
But it's only long after them I tell me say I used to stay over by my house. That's when I was in England in time, remember?
Yeah, it was up on there, man.
He used to sleep over there and everything when I was in here. I'm like, look at that, you know? I realize he's really doing the Lord's work and Spirit really take him, you know, so it's good for me, can, you know, show him to the world where he can. Get a lot of prayer, help a lot of people who need little blessings, you know? You know, we have a lot of belief on my program.
Yeah, that's because when I read the comments, I see the Lord bless you.
Yes.
It appear the Lord they talk about.
Yes,
that's good, man.
Yes, so it's come like, say it's more like it's 99.9% a believer on the program.
Yes. So that's what I discovered. And I like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I consider and say, why not bring, you know, the blessings to them, bring some prayer, you know, to them. Because just like come bring Single Wednesday where excitement and young people something, you know, and I kind of noticed it.
Bring God's thing.
Yes, I bring something positive to it, you know.
Yes.
Give a blessing because people can get, they can call in, they can get them prayer, then you can get them same way.
Because a lot of people come online abroad, you know. Yeah. When we start,
yeah, so that will be good. So I'm here today because you know I got another blessings here for you from GG. Yes, you know this name GG is frequently always there looking out for you.
Yes,
you know,
GG. Yes, I remember.
So I got 7,000 a year for you from GG from the USA.
Thank you very much. GG. Wow. Thank you. God bless you, Gigi, and your family and your relatives. Yes, God bless. I am so happy to know that, you know, you still remember me.
Definitely.
And thank God, you know, the Lord said better to give than to receive. Yes. And I know you are going to get your blessing. I know that a little wind are going to open for you and the blessing going to flow.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely, yeah, man. So we want to thank Gigi.
Yes, thank her very much. Thank you, Gigi.
Alright, I'm going to see colors now because I got a donation for him. You know, so I'm back, so you know, so the journey have to continue.
Kina, like you got Trinidad, you look taller, man. What?
No, man, I'm shoes have an inches. See there, it have an inches.
That's a thing like that.
Yeah, man. It have an inches. Yes,
so
inches.
Enjoy yourself.
Yes.
You're going back.
Of course.
I know that.
Everybody is nice, you know, and the people show me a lot of love.
Yes, that's what I look like. They know you a long time.
You know what I mean? So anyway, they love you sometime you have to always go and receive it.
Yes, that's true.
Because that's what.
Seem like Dee when she come out here.
Get a lot of love.
Yeah, she does. Yeah, she just loves Jamaica.
So right now I just love Trinidad. So guys, I will be definitely going back.
When I'm more Caribbean.
Yeah, of course. You go other Caribbeans definitely.
Yes.
So Esther, imagine I made the honey and lime and garlic for you. And you don't drink it. That should have finished already. Some. That should have finished. That should have finished already.
Did that taste good? Anything good for your body? Not really taste nice.
No, it not gonna taste nice. Alright, so I'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna see colors and come back.
Okay.
Alright?
Yes.
Esther, you can't blame like a 2 spoon of honey and garlic make for you drink it. And yeah, cough every time, sister. Yes, last a pure cough. I can't believe she not finished that. Yes guys, so you know we're gonna see colors and give colors a donation. Colors! I'm rich. Man. Look at colors.
Someone just told me you were here asking for me, innit?
Yes, man. You just like
the news, bro.
Jeez.
What are you looking at? The sneakers?
Everything.
Oh, everything. The outfit too.
Everything.
Oh.
Damn. Which flight you just get off?
Which flight?
Cause I sent someone to pick you up at the airport.
Oh my, and they didn't turn up. So why didn't they turn up?
Because them said them think the flight take off, but they never know you was arriving.
I have to take one of the airport taxi, bro.
Okay.
What's the name? Juta? Yeah, and it cost me a lot to get here, man. Yeah.
Hey.
So where's everything, bro?
Everything is good, man. Everything is good, man.
Hey, Kina. Nah, but like you're trying to imitate me, bro.
How come?
I never say you used to wear those pretty sneakers, bro.
Guys,
Oh, you pattern me.
Oh, it's true, man. I see on the video all the time, so I say, why not try to be colorful like
you know what I'm
colors one
saying?
day, you know?
Yeah, I have some friend here like that, Jota. Whenever time me over where they playing dominoes.
Yeah.
So like me we see one of my friends and say, yo, you know, say Kina just passed me harbor view. You know, oh, you feel more and come take you up on the whole the bees come full up on my bus. I said them always I go on with me over there, bro.
Got one of bees full
I
the
was
bus.
just out here chilling with my lovely friend Patchy. What? Yo,
Patchy,
my gosh.
yeah.
That's my lifesaver there, bro.
Yeah. But you know I got a donation here for you.
You kidding?
Of course. I got a donation here for you.
Whoa.
You know.
So you didn't come in around the cottage, bro?
I never get to come on the cottage, but you just come off the plane, so I say, you know what, let me be with you right here. Alright, so here,
You're crazy.
Let me get a donation first.
Okay,
then.
okay.
So I have $7,000 here for you from Heather. Heather.
Oh, Heather.
Yes, from Hartford, Connecticut.
Okay, Heather, thank you so much. Because I was so stressed out. Yeah, because you know them type of money here, airport, it's you know, it ain't so pretty.
Yeah,
but as you know, colors never give up. Cause I tell you, my life, that young lady there, she always by my side, bro.
Of course.
Yeah. So you see, when I'm here and I'm out, I ain't have to worry about nothing.
Yes, nothing at all.
My friend Patricia is there. Even the virgin here, her son in the shop here.
Chinaman.
What? Oh, that's what your name?
Yes, Chinaman.
You didn't tell me your name, Chinaman, bro.
Yeah, Jamaican China.
Oh.
The dog whisperer.
Yeah, Jamaican China.
How is everything, man?
Yeah, man, they are going all the same way, man. You get me?
Yes, sir. Yes, guys, so I'm here to see Father for the year. You know, I'm here to see Father for the year. Give him some donation. Give him a donation as well. So, yeah, well clean and nice. Well swept up.
I'm just sweeping up.
Well sweep up and nice. What go on? All is well?
So far, you know?
Why, the yard, me that buy the yard from you. Yeah, well nice. Well cool. Where's Shanette?
Shanette!
Here's my big friend Shanette.
Shanette!
How you doing?
What are you supposed?
Hey, well, them comfortable chair. How you doing?
Fine.
How was school?
It was great.
It was great?
I go to reading class and Miss share everything with us.
Yeah?
It was so fun.
It was
but
fun.
there was one thing missing.
Tell me, what's that missing?
Miss had it too much work.
Oh.
Well, I gotta try hard, but some of it was kind of hard. It said, John tripped over a dash and fell his head. And I know it was stone, you know?
Mm-hmm. So he fell over the stone?
Yes, and hit his head.
Mm-hmm. So you're gonna get that right?
Yes.
You think of anything else?
But the hardest thing of all,
Is which one?
it was 500 plus 200. I was sweating in my boots. I didn't know that.
It was sweating in your boots. You didn't know that? 500
No.
plus 200.
Yes, and she added up, you know?
You just
and
like...
then I got it.
You got it? How much you got?
Well, I didn't really remember. I got really not remember. But I'll tell you one day, you know?
You know? Alright, one day. So that's 700. 500 plus 200, that's 700.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I know what I thought. I had a friend share something with me. Let me tell you all about everything she sang with me. You know?
Interesting.
She sang a happy song.
Mm-hmm.
And I really enjoyed it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
When it was over, when school was over, I got ready to go home.
Daddy come for you?
No.
No.
Lily come for me.
Oh, Lily come for your sister?
Yes.
Okay. No daddy.
I got ready for my enjoying peace. In my relaxing,
Home,
lovely
yard.
have.
I love it. I love your yard. It's very relaxing and very nice. So Father for the year, how is everything?
Yeah, man, chill, you know?
Yes, sir. Cool, man.
You don't know. You have to love. Can't go down, you see?
After up.
I want to see how long. I succeed the way I want to.
Yes, that is it.
You have to can't make the mistake and say, boy, you have to make the wrong move. You have to look on the right side like that. You see?
Every time. And we have to give thanks for life every time also, you know? Yeah, some day I pass through, because I know I have a donation here for you as well too. So the people them always looking out, you know, for your Father for the year. And we have $10,000 here for you from Miss C.
Miss C.
Yeah, her name is Miss C.
Thank you, Miss C. My dad was struggling to get money. He worked very hard and come home back pain.
Wow. Yeah, so daddy worked very hard and come home with back pain.
Yes.
See.
And he had to come for me at school.
So much thing you have to do, right?
Yes.
Alright, so this is $10,000 here for you from Miss P. Miss C.
Oh, Miss C. Nice name I got. I wish I had that name.
There's another one.
Another one?
So it's 10,000.
10,000. Thank you, Miss C. It's so much to pleasure about. I hope you have a wonderful day at home. I did learn something about foreign kids. They're not really nice. A girl come and tell me that a foreign girl said, "Move, trash! You're blocking my way." And I didn't like how the way I talk. The girl really very frustrated and really wanted to hurt her, but she ignored her. Just like that.
Just like that. Father for the year, so you can tell Miss C thanks.
Miss C. Why I have no tell a New Year, but a belated New Year.
Yes.
Thank you for the call. You know?
Yes.
I come in at the right time still, isn't it? As I say, close and take her off of the part.
Them take her off the part?
Yes, sir. Come and look up here lunch money at school. I did. And teach her back. And we got on yesterday.
Okay.
We sign her back.
Yeah. So why them take her off the part? And that help out?
Them not make explanation why them do it.
Exactly, because that's help out that situation.
She didn't. We got on the last year. We are a training. So we get a book here and everything. Some of why them mix it up them way.
Yeah.
Everything is okay. So we get a letter from the school and the school show me say, Father say, she not on the part. Then some come on the way, sign her. So it's 10,000 come
right in time.
Right in time we can pay our school fee, right? Our lunch money I mean. Right, so lunch and everything.
Hopefully them can put her in back because they say they don't have a reason why they did it.
them say amidst. Me say, I say, thank you for it, because you come at the right moment.
Yes,
like Father God.
Send right now.
Send you. Blessed. Is it Mr. A wonderful new year. Yeah?
Alright.
Thank you very much.
So we give thanks to Miss C, you know, because they must say the child was on some part benefit with them kind of help out, you know, with some funding and things. So for some reason they take her off it. He was been asking what's the reason why, and no one gave him an answer, so we don't know what's the reason why. So this 10,000 come in the right time.
Yeah.
We can help with that situation. So thank you so much, Miss C. You know, it's really a blessing.
There's one thing I really want to tell Miss C.
Tell her.
I love Liz. So much potato.
You love Lays?
Yes.
Crisp.
So many crispy Lays.
Yeah. So say Daddy will buy your Lays for you, okay?
Yeah.
So we thank you, Miss C from Florida, you know, for blessing Father for the year. Father for the year. Yeah, big up. Lily. Bye-bye, Shanette. Bye. Yeah, man. So we thank you so much, Father, for the year. You know, for looking out for his wonderful children. So Miss C, that 10,000 left and go a long way. So we're going to head out now.
Better.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyrie Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.